Hi! In front of me is Realme 9 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this smartphone. Firstly, you need to access settings and scroll down right away. Now select password and security over here, then click on lock screen password and wait 5 seconds. After that, you need to select continue in the pop-up. Now you need to select one of those login methods by tapping on the best one for you. I will go with pattern. Then enter your login method and repeat it. Now you can add your fingerprint right away by choosing add in the pop-up. I will go with cancel though, so now when I click home button, turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!